Okay, the card below is not professional in appearance, attitude, or conduct. So we will discuss the 10 things that are not professional about this card. Number one is sleeping on the duty, which is a serious offense in the security industry that can result in loss of employment and damage to the reputation of the security company. Security guards are hired to protect people and property, and sleeping on the duty compromises their ability to fulfill their responsibilities. The security guard who sleeps on the duty is vulnerable to the potential security breaches that could cause harm to the people or damage to the property. Falling asleep on duty is a sign of unprofessionalism, lack of vigilance, and disregard for the safety and security of others. Security guards are expected to be alert and vigilant at all the time and to report any suspicious activity or potential security threats to their superiors or law enforcement. Sleeping on duty not only compromises the security guard's job but also puts the safety of others at risk. Professional security guards are trained to anticipate and respond to potential security risks and are expected to be proactive in preventing security breaches. Sleeping on the duty can tarnish the reputation of the security company and reflect poorly on the professionalism of entire security industry. The security guard who sleeps on the duty not only risks losing their job but also faces potential legal consequences of their negligence, resulting in harm to the others. Professional security guards understand the importance of their role in maintaining safety and security and take their responsibilities seriously by remaining alert and vigilant at all the times. We will explain in this section about how someone can complain about the security guard, private investigator, or entity for a violation of code of conduct. We'll discuss the violation first. File a complaint if there is a violation of PSISA or its regulation against the duty security guard or private investigator. PSISA will investigate if the license holder violated code of conduct, PSISA regulation, and license condition. Complaints may also be lodged against the agency, their officers, directors, and partners. PSISA can also investigate the complaints about the unlicensed individuals or organizations. Procedures to submit a complaint. They will fill out the form, public complaint form, and include the information such as date and signature, witness information, and there is no cost for filing a complaint. Mail the complaint form to the given address as you see on your screen. You can also fill the online application form, or you can scan and email the completed signed form to the email you see on your screen. Make sure the complaint must not be submitted anonymously, and there is a time limit of 90 days, so must be filled within 90 days. If you want to hire a representation, you hire a lawyer or an agent to file a complaint on the behalf of you by your own cost. If you file a complaint on the behalf of someone, add his or her name, address, contact information, and relationship to that person. Public complaints, processing the complaint. The registrar will send an acknowledgement letter in 3 days. Depending on the nature of the complaint, it may result in the investigation, referral to the police or ministry, license revocation, facilitation, inspection, and dismissal of the complaint. If complaint is about the agency is subject to compliance inspection. If it is about the violation of code of conduct, it will be forwarded to the facilitator for resolution. A discussion to settle the complaint between both the parties. Complaint will be examined if there is a violation of code of conduct. A letter of participation will be sent to both the parties. Facilitator will try to settle through face-to-face or virtually. Facilitator will provide the outcome letter to the registrar. The registrar will take the corrective actions to provide the training for the anger management, race relation, communication skills, and interpersonal relations. The registrar may cancel the license if the license does not comply with the given conditions. The licensee may ask for the chance to be heard by the registrar within 21 business days to provide justification. Withdrawing a complaint. Complaint can be withdrawn before a decision is made. A withdrawal should be in writing, signed, and delivered to the registrar by mail or email. Withdrawing cannot stop the ministry to take an action against the violation. If the complaint has withdrawn, you will not be receiving any updates on the case. Dismissal of the complaint. If the complaint regarding the violation of code of conduct is not legit, it will be dismissed, such as lack of reasonable objectives, intent to annoy or harass someone, intention of deceiving or misleading, an ulterior motive. The deputy registrar will inform the complainant by sending a letter to the last known address, but in processes related to the complaint, such as an investigation, inspection, or license revocation, may still be carried out. The penalties would be: if a security guard has violated the PSISA, then he may fine of no more than $25,000 and 1 year imprisonment. If a company has violated the rules and regulations, the fine would be no more than $250,000. Moreover, the security guard or business licenses get suspended or revoked.